Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to display the godlike features in-game in Avowed. So as you can see, my character has some unique features on his head. So there's the hair and the face. Those are what we call the godlike features. Now, if you want to see these features in-game, you must enable this feature during the character creation section. So when you're creating a new character, you have to enable this option so that you can see it during the game. So let me show you how to do it. So all you have to do is go to the character creation. So let me just go to the main menu and then select start a new game. And then skip this by holding the B button. And then I should get to the character creation section. Now choose any random character. Let's say, for instance, if you want this particular person, let's say, for instance, this one. And then go to the third icon by using the RB or the LB button. Or if you're in a PC, simply click on the third icon from the left. So 1, 2, 3, the third one, which is the head and the hair. And just beneath it, you should see a couple of options. There's the face preset, the godlike features, hair, and facial hair. Now go to the godlike features. So use the RT button or the LT button if you're on console. If you're on PC, simply click it using your mouse. And then now you should see a brief description of what the godlike features is all about. Now there are two of them. There's the godlike facial features and also there's the godlike hair features. Now as you can see, there's a couple of presets. So there's a couple of presets here. So you can choose random. So that's the facial ones. You can see a couple of them, and also the hair. You can see a couple of them. Now, if you want to show these features during the game, all you have to do is find this option, display godlike facial features in-game, and ensure that it's set to yes, you have enabled it. So if it's disabled, you will not see that feature. So ensure that you enable it by selecting it, and it should show you yes, and you should see a preview on the right side showing you that the feature has been enabled. You can repeat the same process for the godlike hair features as well. If you'd like to show it or in the game, you can simply select it on and off and choose the one that you desire. But if you just want one of them, let's say, for instance, if you just want the hairs and then you remove the facial, you can simply do that. Or if you want all of them both, you can simply do that. So that's basically it on how to display the godlike features in-game in Avowed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.